We strongly believe in the saying, if you don't have an assistant, you are one. Let's face it, doing $6 an hour tasks yourself is like putting a $6 per hour price tag on your time. Our virtual assistants, specializing in social media management, SEO, video editing, and more, are available from just $6 per hour. Schedule a call now via the link in the description.
Hey there! Today we're talking about something that can seriously make life easier. Finding a good virtual assistant or a VA. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just someone to get a few things off your plate, great VA can help you save time, stay organized, and focus on what truly matters. Finding that ideal VA, that can be a challenge. So let's dive into where to look, what to look for, and how to find a VA who really fits your need. Alright, so first, why is finding the right VA such a big deal? Well, VAs can do a wide range of tasks, from handling your inbox to taking on more specialized work like social media management, research, and even customer service. A great VA isn't just about checking off tasks. They're aligning with your workflow, maybe even thinking a step ahead. A great VA isn't just checking off tasks. They're aligning with your workflow, maybe even thinking step ahead and anticipating needs. So finding the right fit really is worth the extra effort. Now, where do you start looking? Let's run through a few top options. First, you've got freelance platforms, Upwork and Fiverr. These are great because they give you an access to a huge talent pool from around the world. VAs who have high ratings, reviews, profiles you can check out for hiring. You can even filter by specific skills or hourly rates. The downside? Sometimes it takes a bit of trial and error to find someone who really gets your work style. Another option is going through virtual assistant agencies like eBay, TimeETZ, or Boldly. These companies often pre-screen their VAs and match you with someone based on your needs. With an agency, you typically get more reliable quality and support. But it does come at a higher cost compared to hiring a VA directly. And then, don't underestimate social media groups or professional networks. There are tons of Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, and even Reddit threads dedicated to connecting VAs to clients. Plus, in these groups, you'll often find VAs who specialize in specific industries like real estate, e-commerce, or creative services. You can also ask for personal recommendations, which can help you find someone trustworthy. Now, what qualities should you be looking for in a VA? First up, communication skills. A great VA doesn't just respond to emails, they proactively keep you updated and ask the right questions. Good communication is key, especially with remote work. Then, there's reliability. This one's a no-brainer. Make sure you check their reviews or ask for references. Look for mentions of consistency and timelines in their past work. After all, you don't want to be left hanging on important tasks. Finally, adaptability. Your needs might change over time. So a VA who can pick up new skills, adjust to new systems, is a huge asset. Now, here's a pro tip. Start with the trial period. Give your VA a couple of small tasks to see how they handle them. This gives you a chance to see their work style, attention to detail, whether they're a good fit without a big commitment right away. And that's it. Finding a fantastic VA might take some time. Trust me, it's worth it. With the right person on your team, you'll find yourself able to focus on what really moves the needle while they handle the details. Happy hunting, and may you find the perfect match. Click the link in the description to book a free one-on-one call to our virtual assistant. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content.
Are you looking to outsource your work? Our skilled virtual assistants are available from just $6 per hour. Click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share the video. You can subscribe to our channel for more such content.